The John Deere 8600i is also a specialized harvester from John Deere with a powerful engine of up to 625 horsepower thanks to its diesel engine. It is equipped with an automatic steering and wheel lock system, making it easier to control the machine. In addition, its small turning radius makes it convenient to move in tight spaces. The harvesting capacity of the John Deere 8600i ranges from 300 to 400 tons of grass per hour, depending on factors such as weather and grass characteristics. The machine can operate continuously for many hours and maintain high performance, saving time and effort in grass harvesting. The Avant 745 is a specialized device manufactured by Optimal to cut, move, and transplant trees. The machine uses a cut land system to safely and efficiently remove trees from the ground, with the ability to move trees with a diameter ranging from 20 to 60 centimeters and a trunk height from 60 to 240 centimeters. The machine also supports tree transplantation, allowing for quick and accurate repositioning. The utility feature of Avant 745 is its ability to move plants flexibly and efficiently, without affecting the plant's root system and growth potential. The Klaas Zarian 4000 is designed for harvesting hemp Wiesel fiber. The machine has a MAN D2676 LUE62 engine with a cylinder capacity of 12.4 liters. The harvesting mechanism involves cutting blades to cut the hemp Wiesel plant stems, followed by a pulling and redirecting component to guide the plants into the machine. Inside the machine, screens separate the leaves and branches from the hemp Wiesel fibers, which are then collected and bundled for further processing. According to user data, it can harvest 8 to 14 tons of hemp Wiesel fiber per hectare of land, achieving higher efficiency than other traditional machines. In France, cider production is famous in the northern region. A machine is used to shake ripe apples from the trees to ensure the quality of apples used in cider production. This machine can clamp the apple tree trunk tightly and use a vibrating mechanism with a vibration frequency ranging from 10 to 30 Hz to help the ripe apples fall without damaging the trees. The machine can also adjust the vibration level accordingly to fit each type of fruit. Next is a concentrically using structured apple harvester to harvest apples on the ground. The scattered apples are swept up by the machine's fan blades and conveyed on a conveyor belt. To ensure quick and efficient harvesting without compromising quality, the machine has multiple layers of sweepers and cushions to minimize impact during harvesting. Let's go back to the vast fields of the Netherlands, where beans are one of the important crops, with a stable annual yield of around 120,000, 140,000 tons. To harvest beans from mid-June